Hi everyone. I hope you all are in the best of your health. With the pandemic affecting the entire country, we all are stranded in our respective homes. I know it must be very tough for all of you. But I have come out with some interesting things regarding skin and hair. How to take care of your skin and hair now that we have ample time in our hand during this summer. So my first magical product, which I call, is this rice powder. I'm sure all of us have it in our house. It has such multiple benefits. Firstly, it helps to lighten the skin. People who have tan, it's excellent for them, so they can use this to lighten their skin. Those who have very oily skin can mix curd in this and apply it all over the face and neck. You can even use it all over your body and keep it for some time till it's semi-dry, and then you can wash it off. Please do not use soap post cleaning off. Okay, so this is for people who have oily skin. For people who have dry skin or combination skin, I would recommend using milk instead of curd. So you can use full fat milk or any milk that you have in your house. Mix it very well with the rice powder and apply it all over your face, neck, hands, wherever you want to apply, and it works very beautifully. It helps in lightening the skin tone, removes tan, keeps the skin looking soft and supple and bright. So my next tip is a very simple tip. Unfortunately, I don't have aloe vera plant in my house. My jelly aloe vera gel, it has got over. But the next best thing for the skin during summer is aloe vera. You can mix it with honey and again apply it all over your face. It removes, again it helps in removing tan. It is very good for the skin. It keeps the skin calm and supple, especially in the heat. So next best magical thing is aloe vera, and if you want you can add honey. Amazing honey, normally we have it in our house all the time. We use it for, if you have cough and cold, we use honey. So honey has multiple benefits. So honey in itself, if you don't have aloe vera, no problem. If you don't have rice powder, no problem. You can always apply honey on your skin. Keep it for about 5 to 10 minutes and wash it off. The moment you wash it off, you will feel, once you touch your feel, it feels so nice and supple and young. So this is the third thing which I suggest is honey. You can also do one thing. If you have milk, then milk and honey is also a very good combination. Milk, honey and lemon. I don't have lemon with me now. Milk, honey and lemon again is an amazing combination for taking care of your skin. Next is, normally during summer we drink a lot of coconut water. Sometimes our coconut wala comes and delivers nariyal pani in our house. So you can keep aside a little nariyal pani and dab it on your skin. Keep it in the fridge for some time. Even if you don't keep it in the fridge, it's okay, because coconut water in itself is very soothing, calming and keeps the skin calm, and gives a cooling effect. Most important thing is it gives a very cooling effect. So you can take a little bit of cotton pad, just dip it in the coconut water and tap it all over your face. You will see your face feels so calm, and it is an amazing, it works with all your acne marks. It helps with your acne marks. If you have acne marks on your skin, you need to use it at least 2 to 3 times in a week. The next product, I again don't have it with me, but it's an amazing product. Because of this pandemic, I have tried to place an order, but each time they say it is not in stock, is almond oil. Especially meant for those who have dry skin, I recommend almond oil. Just take a little bit, about 5 to 6 drops of almond oil in your palm and apply it all over your face and neck. It is amazing again for your skin. It again keeps this makes the skin look young and supple. So these are a few things which is very good and we normally have in our house. The one thing that I had forgotten to mention about the skin is egg white. If you are vegetarian, forget that I mentioned it. But if you do take eggs, then egg white is again very good. It keeps the skin tight. It helps in keeping the skin young. So egg white is another product that I would recommend for the skin. Now, many of us, we go out into the market and we are very, we get carried away wanting to buy some lovely scrubs for our body, and because of the ads also, it has an impact, and we want to buy all those things, and they turn out to be pretty expensive. So I would recommend a couple of scrubs that can be made easily in the house without too much of an effort. This is especially for people who are students, who feel kind of lazy, or people who are working and have no time. So what you can do is, again, rice powder comes to the rescue. Mix milk with rice powder and apply it all over your body, and just keep it till it dries. For the skin, remember I said it should be semi-dry, but for the face, for the whole body, let it completely dry on your body, and then wash it off with water, cold water, warm water, whatever, you just wash it off. You will see that your skin starts glowing, your skin gets a beautiful glow. And even sometimes those who have light hair on their skin, sometimes it removes that excess hair also from the body if we use it regularly once or twice a week. The next thing again is coffee. Amazing scrub for the body. You can use coffee with parachute oil or any coconut oil. Mix it well. Put a little bit of sugar. These three things, you just have to apply it all over your body, hands, legs, everywhere, all over your body. Keep it for 5 to 10 minutes and scrub it off with water. That's all you have to do. Again, it keeps the skin feeling amazingly supple and beautiful and fresh and young. So these are the two major things. I have got this mango. Now this is not for eating. Normally we peel the mango and we throw the mango peel away. So I would say that next time when you're peeling the mango, don't throw the peel away. Use it as a scrub for your body. Like how we use scrub, use this skin and dip it in a little bit of sugar or salt. If you don't have sugar, salt is good enough. And rub it all over your hand and body. It acts as an amazing scrub and also takes away your tan from the body. So again, mango skin, papaya skin, banana skin, all these things are very good for our, as scrub. You can even use mango pulp mixed with sugar and use it. I love mango, so I don't use pulp all over my body, but I do use the skin to as a scrub for my body. The next thing, we all have oats in our house. All you have to do is powder the oats, mix it with milk, and again apply it all over your body. Again, a very good product. Not only keeps your skin feeling young, it keeps your skin moist, it keeps your skin feeling young and supple. The third thing, which I have seen from my childhood, my mother used to do it for me, is besan and milk. Again, besan is a product that we have in our house. So all we have to do is mix besan with milk. It should be liquidy enough so that it can be applied like uptan, all over our body. Keep it till it dries, and again rub it off your hands and wherever you put in the body. Again, an excellent scrub, natural scrub for our body. And if you think that the market products have beautiful aromas and perfumes in them, so if you think that you want to use it, ideally they are artificial, ideally it should not be used. You can use any essential oil like lemongrass or lang lang, anything that you like, you can use a little bit, 1 or 2 drops in any of the scrubs. All the scrubs that I'm talking about, you can use these essential oils, but in few drops. Remember, essential oil raw on the skin is not good. So always mix only 1 or 2 drops just for that aroma, just for that feel good factor. That's all. Okay, now these are the natural products that I talked about, the skin and the body, face and the body rather. Now I will want to show you a couple of things that I get primarily from Amazon, and they are excellent they are for the skin. The one thing that I use every night is this Retinol 24K Gold. I got it from Amazon. I will provide the link in the description box. This is amazing. At night, all you have to do is put 3 to 4 drops on your, apply it all over your face and just massage it into your skin every night. It brings a natural glow to your skin. So this is one product that I will recommend that you all use before bedtime. Another thing we should use regularly is a moisturizer. I had tried a lot of moisturizer. My skin is very sensitive right from the time when I was young. So this is one product that I have got glued to because I don't get eruptions. It keeps my skin, it doesn't make my skin very oily, yet it takes very good care of my skin and keeps it moisturized. Is Bioderma's Atoderm Intensive Balm. You can see this closely. This is an excellent product. You get it in Amazon. Again, I will provide the link in the description. This is a product which I have been using for years, so I'm very confident about the product. It's an amazing moisturizer. You can apply it after bath, in the morning and before going to sleep. These are the two products that I would recommend. Another amazing product is Vaseline Jelly. It is very cheap yet amazing product, especially for people who have very dry hands and feet, or nowadays we use a lot of sanitizer, especially when we are stepping out of the house. So once you are in the house, wash your hand nicely with soap, dry your hand. Before going to sleep, I would recommend use Vaseline Jelly all over your hand and feet. In the feet, I would say that if you can wear a socks after applying Vaseline Jelly, primarily the reason I'm suggesting that wear a socks and sleep is because it might leave a little bit of mark on the bed, especially if you have a light colored sheet. So that is the reason I'm suggesting that you wear a socks, and moreover it traps the moisture in. That's another reason why I recommend socks, but I don't wear socks. I feel very hot. So even if you're not wearing a socks, that's fine. But do apply this. It's an amazing magical product. You don't need expensive hand creams and feet cream. Vaseline is a very, very good product for your hand and feet. So this is about it. I don't use too many. One important tip that I would definitely want to share with you all is the lesser the product, especially these artificial products or man-made products that we use on our body, the better our skin would be. This is one thing. I'm in my late 40s. I have hardly used any products, and I think I'm thankful to God that I still have good skin. So this is it about skin, and when I'm talking about skin for both face and body. Now I will come to the hair part. I don't have too many things to share about the hair. People who are losing hair, the one thing that I would recommend is onion paste. I know it sounds very weird and it leaves a very bad smell into the scalp, but trust me, keep the apply onion paste all over your scalp, not hair, and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes and shampoo off. You can it is very good for hair. Premature graying of hair, it helps in avoiding premature graying of hair, avoiding keeping the hair thick and in good condition. Onion paste is something which is very good. Trust me, I use it quite regularly, and that is the reason I'm suggesting onion paste. Another thing that I would suggest for the hair again is egg white and curd. These two things you have to mix it, again apply it all over your scalp, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and shampoo off. These are the two things. I used it regularly. That is the reason I'm recommending only these two things. There are various other products. People use almond oil, argan oil. There are many things that people use. I have not really seriously used it, so I cannot really comment about it. But what I have used, I have tried to share with you. Another very important tip that I would like to share, which is very good for our whole system, is when you get up in the morning or whenever you are getting up. I know timings are different for everyone. Try to have at least 1 glass of lukewarm water on an empty stomach. Ideally, I would suggest 4 glasses of water, but if you are not used to drinking so much water, start with 1 glass and then over a period of time progress to 4 glasses of lukewarm water. The first thing when you get up in the morning, please have that. You will not believe it works like magic. It not only detoxifies, we talk about detoxification, drink this, drink that. Trust me, this is the best detoxifying liquid, water. Lukewarm water on an empty stomach. First thing when you get up in the morning. I'm repeating it, yes. Try it. It is very good for our whole system. It detoxifies the body. It removes unwanted elements from our body. Very good for people who have constipation. Okay, now in case you don't know what is lukewarm water, because my son does not know what is lukewarm water, is nothing but gunguna peene ka pani. Very light, warm drinking water. That's what I meant by lukewarm water. It should not be very hot. It is not good for the system. Anything in extreme is not good for the system. Another thing that I forgot to mention, the advantage of drinking this water every morning is it helps in weight loss also, apart from all the other benefits. Secondly, always sit and drink water. Never stand and drink water. When you sit and drink water, it is absorbed by our body very well. Okay, now that I mentioned weight loss, I would also like to mention one more thing, which is related to weight losses. Always start your meal with buttermilk, unsweetened buttermilk and cucumber. And then you can have, rice, dal, sabzi, whatever it is. Always remember to start your meal with buttermilk, and cucumber. These are very good. If you don't have any, then at least have a big bowl of salad and start your meal. That's it from my side. I hope you like the tips that I shared about both skin and hair. I would like you also to suggest a few interesting tips about skin and hair with me. You can always leave or your suggestions in the comments below. And if you have any queries, you can always ask me again in the comments, or you can contact me on Instagram. I would be providing the link in the description. I hope you have a very good day ahead. Thank you.